Shandong Yuchen CNC Company Limited, established in 2018, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of CNC oscillating cutting machine. We are located in Jinan City with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We guarantee that each product has been tested for 48 hours before leaving the factory to ensure stable working and customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, SGS certificates. Our company has a professional R&D team which can meet the customized needs of customers. We have obtained 10 patents and other R&D achievements, such as Work Registration Certificate, Soft Work Registration Certificate, and GBT 29490. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as America, Europe, Asia, Africa, and more. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. Welcome to Visit Yuchen.